Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn English through a story. This story is true and it is about survival. It is about a man who got lost in a swamp and survived an alligator attack. By the way, do you know what a swamp is? A swamp is a very wet, muddy place. It is a forest filled with deep water and many trees. And it's not an easy place to walk. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Before we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever been lost before? Me too. How did you feel? Were you scared or calm? By the way, this lesson is for beginners. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. Okay, let's begin. Mark was a 43-year-old man. He lived in Florida. He worked every day fixing sprinkler systems. But Mark had problems in his life. He felt lost. He wanted to change. He wanted a better life. One day, after work, he went to a lake called Lake Manatee. He saw trash on the ground, so he started picking it up. Then he thought, I want to explore. So he walked into the forest. Quick question, where did Mark go? Yes, he went into the forest. What does he felt lost mean here? A, he could not find the forest. B, he didn't know what to do in his life. Yes, the correct answer is B. He did not know what to do in his life. When we say he felt lost, it does not mean he couldn't find the forest. It means he didn't know what to do in his life. He felt confused, like he didn't have a clear direction. In English, we can say someone is lost not only when they don't know where they are, but also when they don't know what to do in their life. So here, he felt lost means he felt confused. He didn't have a clear direction. At first, it was fun, but soon the forest became difficult. There were thorns, mud, and thick trees. Mark walked for a long time. He became tired. He became lost. After many hours, he found water. It was a swamp. His feet hurt. He was very thirsty. He didn't know where to go. Finally, he saw the lake again. On the other side, he saw a road. He thought, I must swim. What would you do? Would you swim or stay? The water was cold, very cold. Mark started swimming. He was a good swimmer, but something was wrong. He could not swim straight. He felt tired, very tired. Then suddenly, he saw something in the water. It was an alligator. And before he could move, the alligator attacked him. It bit his arm. It pulled him under the water. Mark was afraid, but he did not give up. He fought the animal. Then the alligator took his arm. This is a true story. So Mark was in shock, but he thought, I must survive. So he swam with one arm, slowly, painfully. And finally, he reached the land. He was alone. No phone, no help. Is he safe now? No, not yet. The next day, he tried to walk, but the swamp was very difficult. He was hungry, he was thirsty, and he was in pain. Sometimes he saw the alligator again, watching him. Mark wanted to stop. He wanted to give up. But he told himself, I choose to live. Say it with me. I choose to live. Good job. For 2 days, he walked in the swamp. Then one day, he saw something on the ground. A bottle. He smiled. People are near, he thought. He walked a little more. And finally, he reached a road. A man saw him and said, What happened to you? Mark said, A gator attacked me. Soon, help arrived. He went to the hospital. He lost his arm, but survived. Today, Mark is alive. His life changed, and he says, never give up. Now, your turn. What do you think about this story? Is Mark strong? What would you do in his situation? Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next English story. Bye!